my window, tears still fresh on my face. I was drowning in my sorrow, felt like such a troubled place, yeah. Then I heard a quiet whisper deep inside my chest. Blessed be the God of comfort, pull me into rest, yeah. Love that overflows, running through my veins, from the Father of all mercy, healing every pain. Oh yeah, yeah. Love that overflows, pouring down like rain. What He used to heal my heart, I'll carry to your shame. Hey, hey, yeah. You coming with your burden, eyes too tired to fight. I remember how He found me in my darkest night. Sit down, brother, let me listen. You can let it all be known. The same hand that held me steady, gonna hold your own. Yeah, man. Love that overflows, running through my veins, from the Father of all mercy, healing every pain. Sing it. Love that overflows, pouring down like rain. What He used to heal my heart, I'll carry to your shame. Oh Lord, yeah. Every scar becomes a story, every wounded doorway wide, where His kindness keeps on walking to the hurt inside, yeah. I was crushed, I was broken, didn't see a way. Now I stand inside His comfort, pointing you the same way. Come on. He lifted me up, so I lift you. He carried my grief, so I'll share yours too. The pressure I knew becomes strength in my hand, to hold you steady till you can stand. Oh, you can stand. Oh, you can stand. Hey, sister, with a silent struggle hiding in your chest. I can see the hidden battle, 'cause I felt that stress, yeah. Let these arms be like an answer, let this voice be proof that the God who saw my heartbreak still is holding you. Hey. Love that overflows, running through my veins, from the Father of all mercy, healing every pain. Healing every pain. Love that overflows, pouring down like rain. What He used to heal my heart, I'll carry to your shame. Carry it, carry it. So when I walk through the fire and the pressure starts to rise, I remember every rescue, how He dried my eyes. Oh yeah. And I know my future trials ain't wasted on this road. They'll become the very river where His comfort flows. Blessed be the God of all compassion. Blessed be the one who knows my passion. Every teary card becomes a seed